Ever wondered how to turn your skills into a thriving Fiverr business? Or how to navigate the sea of freelancers and stand out to potential clients? The journey to becoming a successful seller on Fiverr can seem daunting, but fear not. Today, we're breaking down this process into clear, manageable steps. First things first, understanding Fiverr's marketplace is crucial. Start by researching what services are in demand and observe top sellers in the categories you're interested in. This will give you a clear picture of what works. After getting the lay of the land, choose a niche that aligns with your skills and interest. Next, set up your profile. Make it professional with a friendly photo and detailed description of your skills and experiences. Fiverr also offers skills tests that can enhance your credibility, so take advantage of those. Now, on to creating your gigs. Your gig title should be clear, concise, and keyword-rich to attract the right clients. The description should detail what you offer, how you'll do it, and why clients should choose you. Include specific deliverables and timelines to set clear expectations. And remember, pricing is a strategy. Fiverr allows tiered pricing, so consider offering packages with different price points to cater to a wider range of clients. Once your gigs are live, it's time to promote them. Use Fiverr's internal promotion tools, share your gigs on social media, and let your personal and professional networks know about your services. Delivering quality work is non-negotiable. Clear professional communication and on-time delivery are key. And don't forget to request reviews from satisfied clients. As your Fiverr business grows, remember to optimize and scale. Use client feedback to improve, offer gig extras to increase earnings, and consider diversifying into related services. Stay updated with market trends and continuously learn to stay competitive. A few additional tips. Be patient and consistent. Success on Fiverr doesn't happen overnight. Pay attention to Fiverr's algorithm and consider its fees in your pricing strategy. Starting a Fiverr business can be challenging, but with dedication, quality service, and strategic planning, you can build a profitable freelancing business. Your reputation on the platform is crucial, so always prioritize customer satisfaction. So there you have it, a step-by-step guide to starting and growing your Fiverr business. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step, so why not take that step today?